Annie, and I am a girl chasing for a life well lived. There was a time when social anxiety cast a long shadow over me, but one day I figured out that I couldn't live like this for the rest of my life. That's when I heard the call to leave. I was born for something more, something beyond the ordinary. And I wanted to journey far to discover my possibilities, my boundaries, as well as dissolve into the very environments that once held me captive in fear. The first journey carried me 1,500 kilometers from the familiar embrace of home. I was so thrilled at first, but then things started getting boring. I couldn't sleep a wink because the train constantly rumbled. The moment the dawn broke over Guangdong province, my heart truly awakened. A scene from a strange, faraway corner, yet it felt like a homecoming for me. When I first share my journey with my surroundings, people react like, Why must you do this? My reply was always, I don't know. I think I just have to go. Actually, I've always been someone who rarely looking back with regrets. I've experienced this railway 10 years ago, and the equipment of the train has been modernized a lot, and so do I. I came back here with a new me. Except the sceneries, it's still mesmerizing, and the emotion surged up inside me has never changed. After getting to travel by train and enjoy Vietnam's beauty, I think I love my home country even more. I love those sceneries, and of course, I love people.
Mình không biết đấy, nhà mình nói là bên này. 안녕하세요.
nhưng mà mình không nhớ phần gì nữa.
이름이 뭐예요?
Cần thị
투하입니다.
제 이름은 투하입니다.
I met new souls, and together we experienced what felt like the world's most beautiful railway. Strangers sharing the same dream, knowing our paths might never cross again. After 2 days of movement, with full of excitement as well as tiredness, we arrived at Phan Thiết City. Phan Thiết was a beautiful city, but our journey hadn't finished yet. We continue to go on a ship to land at our destination. Can you guess it? Yes, we was going to a gorgeous island.